morning everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm over on the farm, and I'm here with my buddy Matt. You see him back here. He is with MCB Property Maintenance, and today he's going to be helping me out, going to be putting in a new food plot. So he's going to help me get rid of some of the brush and stumps and things. So anyway, I'm going to take you along and show you the work. So thanks for joining in, and we're going to get to work. Anything you want to say, Matt?
How you doing?
Yeah, Matt, like I said, is the owner of MCB Property, and he's also a friend. So I think this is more from the friend side. So anyway, I don't know, I hadn't got the bill yet, so we'll see. All right, take care. We're going to join you in the woods.
A moment of truth.
One thing interesting to note here is that even though these stumps have been in the ground here for probably 10 or 12 years, they're still kind of a bear to get out. You can tell that you really have to kind of work at it, dig all around it, and then finally it'll come out. The other thing Matt's doing is trying to get some of this dirt off of it so that we can fill that hole back up. He kept with it until he got it. one of the nice things about having the tractor there outfitted with the grapple is that I could work alongside Matt and kind of keep things cleared out of his way and start piling them up. So really worked quite well to work together, and we kind of kept an eye on each other to make sure we didn't get in each other's way, and then we were safe about it. So anyway, I think this was a lot better than waiting for all the brush to be on the ground and then try to start piling it up. So anyway, that was one of the things that we kind of learned from this whole project, is working together really made fast work of it.
Well friends, that's part one of our food plot, our new food plot that we're putting in. And so I hope you enjoyed the video and that you'll stay tuned for part two. Part two, I'll tell you, we're going to use the new rototiller. We're going to go over this and then rake it again and get up a lot of these roots and get it ready. And then we're going to put down the seed. And then we'll give you kind of progress report of how it's going, how the seed's coming in. Somebody asked me yesterday if I knew exactly what I was going to plant it, and To be truthful, I really don't. Probably some Whitetail Institute seed. I've been looking at them. This is a new spot altogether. I usually like to try to make sure I have stuff for the late season here. So anyway, if any of you have any suggestions of a Whitetail Institute seed that you've used and it's worked real well, please let me know in the comments. Value your suggestions and your comments. And anyway, so we're gonna head to the house, get rid of some of this dust. It's a pretty dusty day, and then we'll be back next week to give you part 2. So thanks for joining in, and I hope you have a blessed day. Take care. I almost forgot, and again I want to thank my buddy Matt Mitchell from MCB Property Management, a good friend of mine. He came over, brought his excavator yesterday, and without that we would not be this far along. So anyway, again, thank you, Matt, and maybe we can do a hunt together this year, and you can get some more fruits of your labor. So anyway, take care.